So yabona nje inhloko ngiyithenga ngomhloko yaseGoli umbhedo.
Yes, my farewell meal to Oz.
Farewell meal.
To Down Under.
Look at this.
Yeah, slow seat. What my homeowner Jempela was not safe for one and yes, they will be so proud of me.
Why are you so proud? I'm not going to be homeowner. Now we are proud.
Kanje, she'll be so proud. Now I was very proud of her ukuthi nje ayibo.
Umama ekhaya.
Use umama ekhaya nje utse impela nje.
Kwamakhelwane nje.
Kubizwa wena.
Ngimbathe nje nami. Ngimbathe nje nami. Anti bapho plastic abanyama. Ngimbathe nje nami. Ngifike ngisho ukuthi
njengomakhelwane.
Okay. Let's pray. Banjana ngezandla la ekhaya ukuthandaza.
Asithandaza.
Ingashiyi umuntu ngaphandle.
Sinathi mase sesingena ezulwini thaba khona abangathandazanga. Naso nakhona.
Wayithenga phela leso stand ngagcina usibona eJapan ngangasithenga.
Wangasithenga ngani?
Kambe ngithi nje sithenga nje.
Lesi ngisithenge eBest Buy nje.
Ngazi ngoba ngazi ngisibone. Abele thandazana. Hawu yazi ukuthi uzoshaya ngeculo lakhe elikhulu. Akekho umuntu.
I was so ready
For iculo elikhulu.
Yeah.
Yithi yini uhardboard. Amase bethu umleqo ke kwayimaqhulu ukuthi hawu.
Oh, elandileqo lelo lasilanga ngani nginengazi lutho ukuthi yini lona le. Look, what in?
What do you want to try?
This is a full meal. It's more than 7 colors.
More than 7 colors.
The food we are eating, Malavi.
It's 8 colors.
Is it?
What do you want to try?
I'm gonna try everything.
Nami nje kodwa nje ngitholile ithuba.
Salon ngiphi isihlanu. Oh no, so before ngumele lokho kunye ngizobuya round 2.
I speak English. That means I'm covered.
Of course, you're the first one.
Okay.
So when do
I'm gonna take a picture. I'm gonna take a picture. They look like they're happy smile on this picture.
Does it?
Yeah, I'm sitting.
You're not eating?
I am.
Oh.
breakfast.
No.
I
want to see everyone.
Hey, don't touch it. Then I'll teach you later. See if you were eating.
You can come closer and see yourself.
If you come this side, you can see yourself. Wait, let me get off.
I want to take a picture of everyone.
Come this way so that you can see yourself.
No, it's coming.
Don't touch it. Let's come this way.
See, here's your plate now.
See, if you're closer, you can't see yourself. Now you can see. Now you can see yourself.
And it stinks.
How? What stinks much? Those who are not eating, you are missing out. What's your favorite food?
She said she'll have mukodo, eh?
I'll have food tomorrow.
What is mukodo, ma? She's actually feeling better. She's right. Huh?
Say something nice.
Awesome.
What do you want to say to Coco at home?
Hello.
That's all. Do you want to say something? Say something. Say something. Say something.
Hello, Gogo, I miss you.
So we have our winner.
It's me.
And action.
Hello. I'm just gonna play my toys and have lots of fun. And I'll have lots of fun with playing with my big brother. And today I'm gonna try to be playing every day. And I'm so lucky that it's almost my birthday.
When is your birthday?
21 of November.
Oh yeah, it's almost 21 of November. So what are you gonna get for your birthday?
I don't know.
What do you wish for?
I wish for a pirate hat and a pirate's gun and a sword.
Okay, you're gonna have a party?
And with a fake sword.
A fake sword.
Yeah.
Are you gonna invite me to your birthday party?
Yes.
What must I wear?
I'm thinking. Let's do it this.
You can't do it that way. You're gonna break it. You do it this way. Tell me what to wear.
What you gonna wear?
Clothes. Those are for those I like. Those are yellow and blue.
Mm-hmm.
And you can wear any gown.
Mm-hmm. And who's your favorite school teacher?
Teacher Pets.
Okay, must tell Teacher Pets that Mom Koo says hello, Teacher Pets. Okay. Bye.
And I'm gonna say only 3 chairs because also Auntie is coming.
Okay. Now you have to say bye.
Bye.
Oops, you have to say something about Mommy.
And
your sister.
And my sister. Okay. My sister loves watching lot of things. Like he wants to watch Rangers. He wants to watch Power Rangers, and he wants to watch Disney Channel.
And your mother?
And my mother wants to watch. He wants to watch. And he loves to watch everything that he wants to do. He just says that Daddy's gonna come at night.
And then your daddy, what does he like to do?
My dad, he likes to, also my brother, right?
Okay. Then say bye, people. See you next month.
And my brother always like also to watch Power Rangers only.
Power Rangers.
Yeah.
Say bye, people. Thank you. Close the show now, babe.
Safuna ukukhuluma.
Say goodbye to everybody.
I want to say something.
Okay, quick. When it gets to number 4, then it will finish.
And all my family like each other.
Yeah.
Bye bye.